Hello students, I welcome you all to the number one YouTube channel Aveti Learning, which only works for your academic enhancement. So let's start learning. First of all, tell me, is my voice audible to you all? If it is yes, then type yes in the comment box. Okay? Okay then. So we have already started our grammar classes. So tell me, what do you mean by a sentence? Sentence କହିଲେ ତୁମେ କ'ଣ ବୁଝ? କାହାକୁ ଆମେ sentence କହିବା? So you should have to write the answer in your comment box. Okay? And that should be in English. Yes, quickly write. What do you mean by sentence? ବାକ୍ୟ କହିଲେ ଆମେ କ'ଣ ବୁଝିବା? We have already known about this concept in our Odia language. So before we start this topic, just tell me, what do you mean by a sentence? What is the feature of a sentence? Yes, some of you have written so correctly. So let me tell you the answer. So, sentence means a set of words, or you can say a group of words that make a complete sense itself, which is typically containing a subject and predicate, conveying a statement. It may be a question, it can be an exclamation or command, and mostly consisting of main clause and sometimes one or more subordinate clauses. Okay, a set of words, a group of words, simply we have to know that a group of words combine together and make a complete sense. So that is known as a sentence. ଶବ୍ଦ ଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ ଆମେ ଏଭଳି ଭାବେ ଯୋଗ କରିବା ଯାହାକି ତାହା ମନର ଭାବକୁ ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ରୂପେ ପ୍ରକାଶ କରୁଥିବ। ଯେମିତିକି ଆମେ ଜାଣିଛେ କି ଯେଉଁ ଉକ୍ତି ମନର ଭାବକୁ ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ରୂପେ ପ୍ରକାଶ କରେ ଆମେ ତାକୁ ବାକ୍ୟ ବୋଲି କହିଥାଉ। Similarly, in English also, a group of words combined such as when it makes a complete sense. Okay, a group of words when they make a complete sense, then it is known as a sentence. Okay, so genuinely in a sentence we are having a subject and also a predicate. So that may be a statement, it can be a question, it can be an exclamation, or it can be a command, it can be advice, it can be a suggestion, whatever. Okay, so genuinely in this sentence we are having main clause and sometimes we are having uh, two or more main clause and along with some subordinate clauses also. Okay, so clear? तो ବାକ୍ୟ ଏକ ବକ୍ତବ୍ୟ ହେଇପାରେ, ଏକ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ମଧ୍ୟ ହେଇପାରେ, ଏକ ଆଦେଶ ହେଇପାରେ, ଏକ ପରାମର୍ଶ ମଧ୍ୟ ହୋଇପାରେ କିମ୍ବା ଏକ ଆଶ୍ଚର୍ଯ୍ୟ ସୂଚକ ବାକ୍ୟ ମଧ୍ୟ ହେଇପାରେ ଯେଉଁଥିରେ କି ଏକ ମୁଖ୍ୟ ବାକ୍ୟ ନିହାତି ରହିବ ଏବଂ ଆବଶ୍ୟକ ସ୍ଥଳେ ଦୁଇଟି ମୁଖ୍ୟ ବାକ୍ୟ ମଧ୍ୟ ରହିପାରିବ କିମ୍ବା ମୁଖ୍ୟ ବାକ୍ୟ ସହିତ ଏକ ଆଶ୍ରିତ ବାକ୍ୟ ମଧ୍ୟ ଆଶ୍ରିତ ଖଣ୍ଡ ବାକ୍ୟ ମଧ୍ୟ ରହିପାରିବ। So here are some example. I go to school. So in this sentence, I is subject and go to schools are predicate. Okay. Similarly, Archana and Ananya are two sisters. So, Archana and Ananya, this is the subject part, and our two sisters are the predicate part. Similarly, Pratyush is searching for a job. So, Pratyush is subject and rest of the part of the sentence is predicate. So, from these above three sentences, we can see there is a subject and also a predicate part, and these are having independent main clause. Okay, ଏଗୁଡ଼ିକ ମୁଖ୍ୟ ବାକ୍ୟ ଅଟନ୍ତି. Similarly, let's move on to the sentence number 4. He went to a fair and bought a horse. So here, he went to a fair is also a main clause, and he bought a horse is also a main clause. So these two sentences are combined with and. Okay. So in this sentence, we are having two main clauses. Okay. So this is also an example of a sentence. Then finally, in the last sentence, you can see, if it rains, I shall stay at home. In this sentence, we are having one main clause, I shall stay at home, that is main clause, and if it rains, it is a subordinate clause. Okay, so as we have discussed before, that a sentence consists of a main clause and also a subordinate clause. So this is an example of that. So here we have an idea about sentence. Okay, so sentence are of different type. Okay, so I hope all of you have known about today's topic. So here we can see the different types of sentence. So today's topic is types of sentences. Okay, so sentences are of three types. Okay, so there are three types of sentences, and what are they? One is simple sentence. Number 2, compound sentence. Number 3, complex sentence. Okay, so there are three types of sentences. What are they? One is simple sentence, then compound sentence, and finally the complex sentence. Okay, so in Odia we can say that a simple sentence is known as Sarala Vakya, then compound sentence is also known as Jaugika Vakya, yes, and complex sentence is known as Jatila Vakya. Okay, so now let's analyze these three sentences. The first one is simple sentence. So what is a simple sentence? The sentence which has a subject and a predicate is called a simple sentence. Again, it has an independent finite clause. So, genuinely in simple sentence, we can find or we can see there is a subject and also a predicate part, and it is an independent finite clause. Finite clause means what? The clause having finite verb. And what is a finite verb? By which we can able to know in which tense the sentence is. Okay, finite verb माध्यमरे आमे कौन जानी परिबा कि sentence टी क्यों tense रे अछि आमे सीटा finite verb माध्यमरे जानी परिबा. For example, he is playing. Here you can see he is the subject, is playing is the predicate, and is the finite verb. By the help of is, we can know that the sentence is in present tense, because is refers to present tense. Okay, so this sentence is in present progressive tense. So clear? So this is known as a simple sentence. So in a simple sentence, we are having a subject and also a predicate, and which is an independent clause. Okay. Now let's move on to compound sentence. The sentence which consists of two or more than two independent clauses is called compound sentence. Okay, so in compound sentence, we are having minimum two independent clauses. And secondly, these clauses are joined by coordinating conjunctions. Okay, so in the compound sentence, there are two or more than two independent clauses, and that clauses are joined by coordinating conjunctions. So there are so many coordinating conjunctions are there, like but, and, or, either or, neither nor, not only but also, to, dot 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 to, etc. So here is the example. He is poor, but he is honest. So here you can see there are two independent clauses. So what are they? First one is he is poor. It is also an independent clause. Then he is honest. This is also an independent clause. And these two clauses are combined by the coordinating conjunction but. And the complete compound sentence is he is poor but he is honest. So here we can see that two independent clauses are combined together by the help of the coordinating conjunction but. Okay, so it is known as a compound sentence. It is a compound sentence. Now let's move on to complex sentence. The sentence which consists of one independent or main clause and one or more than one subordinate clause is called the complex sentence. Okay, so in complex sentence, genuinely we are having one main clause and one or more than one subordinate clauses. Okay, so गोटे कम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस रे बा गोटे जटिल वाक्य रे गोटे मुख्य वाक्य रहिबो एवं गोटे किंबा गोटे रु अधिका आश्रित खंड वाक्य रहिबो तो ताकू हमें जटिल वाक्य बा कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस बोली कहिबा. ओके, सो these clauses are joined by subordinating conjunction. So here is the example of complex sentence. Tell me where you were born. So here, tell me is an independent clause, or we can say main clause. Then you were born is a subordinate clause. Actually, where you were born is the subordinate clause and the subordinating conjunction is where. Okay, so see here, tell me is main clause and where you were born is the subordinate clause. Okay, or you can say dependent clause. Dependent clause. Okay, so here where is the subordinating conjunction? So students, today's this much. I hope all of you have an idea about the types of sentence along with what is a sentence and its types. So there are three types of sentences. One is simple sentence, another is compound sentence, and the third one is complex sentence. So in this video you can find the definitions along with some examples with the perfect analysis of that examples. So I hope all of you have got the complete idea about the types of sentences. So this is Awaiti official WhatsApp number, that is 7894040614. So if you have any kind of query, any kind of questions, any kind of doubts related to your study, related to your syllabus, related to your content, you can ask anytime, and we are here to solve your problems. Okay, so while watching the video or while doing the assignments, if you are facing such type of problems or if you are having any kind of doubts or any kind of questions, then without any hesitations, anytime you can call us with this contact number. Okay, so let me tell you, we are providing you free online classes and learning resources to Odia medium students during COVID-19 pandemic, which is an initiative by Awaiti Learning. So students, today is this much. We will meet in our next class with a new chapter, with a new quiz session as usual. So till then, don't go any. Keep learning, activate your learning, enhance your learning with the authentic learning, Awaiti Learning. Thank you.